Hello friends, hi, welcome back. Today let's discuss what happened to Nifty and Bank Nifty, and also what we discussed technical charts, candlestick patterns, and what happened to OI data, how it has changed in an intraday, and FII data, DI data, and also option chain versus strike price and everything. And also we discuss about the stocks what we discuss routine, what are the good breakout charts that we can discuss. So okay, let's start. What was our prediction yesterday? Our prediction was market can give a bit of technical pullback, or else the market will be like in the range between 16,800 to 17,000. So yeah, as we discussed, the market gave a pullback, but we expected at a lower level, but it gave an inside candle. So which means our next levels to watch are, so yeah, if this 16,832, if this 16,832 breaks, we can see significant downside, and if it breaks 17,315, it can give the significant up move till 17,800 levels, 600 and 800 levels. Okay, so for now the market still closed below 200 EMA and it's below 100 EMA also. So market still is in bearish zone as per the charts. Once it crosses 200 EMA, we can expect till it will try to break 100 EMA. Even if it breaks 100 EMA, it will be a good range to. Just a second, guys. What happened? Sorry for the delay. I think something is happening to TradingView, I guess. So okay, till then we'll discuss option chain. So these are the 8.5 million calls unwinded and 10.9 million put have added. So what is the significant OI addition and deletion at 17,000 levels, which means market can give support tomorrow at 17,000 level. 17,000 above would be the good range, and 17,200 is a towering resistance. Above 17,200 we have as towering resistances. So I guess market will not cross 17,200 unless the short covering has takes place. So for now, tomorrow can be the range between 17,000 and 17,200. Once it crosses 17,200, the short covering can pull the market till 17,300 to 350 levels. Okay, and the PCR ratio. So yesterday it was 0.4 and today it oversold region 2. That now we are at 0.6 PCR. So what is how the option chain? So as we discussed, 17,000 we have 52 lakh contracts, and whereas in 17,200 we have 72 lakh contracts. It's definitely very hard to break 17,200 for now. If tomorrow the call additions have been takes place here, if it is above 90 lakhs, then it generally will be hard to break. So 17,500 straddle would be good. Straddle, which means 17,100 call and also put sell is a very good trade for tomorrow. Maybe I'm expecting a bit of consolidation at 17,100 levels. In the second half, it can give a breakout on any of the side. So till 230 on the expiry levels, you must square off the positions generally, because lot of volatility will come after 230 levels. Okay, so this is Nifty, and let's see. Yeah, now the data has come. So how the market opened? Gap up, and it sustained the gap up, and it consolidated for around like 100 point range, and it tried to break 200 EMA for some time. I guess in 15 minutes chart, if you see, maybe, yeah, it gave a breakout but not a proper breakout. Yeah, it's a good volume breakout but not a significant volume breakout. So that's why again the market came down and again it ended at here. So generally how the market gives breakout, so it consolidate near resistances levels. So here the consolidation has been taken place overall a day, and then tomorrow it has a lot of time to break this 200 EMA, which is like around 10 points away. So it can be very easily broken. So I'm expecting tomorrow the market would be ranging between 17,180 levels and 17,318 levels initially, at least. Once it crosses this, we can give a significant upside. Okay, so let's talk about Bank Nifty. For the Bank Nifty, See, even it tried to form an inside candle, but compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty is a bit weak. It formed a doji again. So here the support levels are 36,000 levels, round figure, and the resistance are at 37,200 levels, which is 37,000. So we'll see the option chain resistances also once we finish this. Yeah, say this. So we have a consolidation day overall, not too significant up, not too significant down. So the only laggard was HDFC Bank for the past from April 9th, I guess. So now the laggard has been removed. I think FII stopped selling HDFC Bank. So today we have seen HDFC and HDFC Bank and also Reliance have moved up, and also Infosys have given Nifty IT also give a small technical pullback. So which means if these HDFC twins and Nifty IT can give a small pullback, so Nifty will stay strong. Okay, so for now the levels we can say is 37,200 that we have drawn before resistance, and 36,000. So whatever the open interest for Bank Nifty, so the highest towering resistance is at 36,500, whereas 37,000 we have it is very hard to break 37,000 tomorrow. So 36,000 has a significant amount of put addition. Compared to calls, put conviction is very less. So PCR is 0.6 compared to 0.4 yesterday. So today we have a bit of put additions here. So call additions and put additions are also taking place in Bank Nifty. So how the option chain looks in Bank Nifty? Say this, 19.5 lakh contracts and 24.8. So market will try to be in range between 36,000 and mostly 36,500 or 800 at most. So below these puts and above these calls are very easy to trade, but as an expiry we will not get any premiums accordingly. So 36,000 and 36,500, if you make a triangle, it will be a very good trade for tomorrow until it breaks 36 to 100 on put side and 36,500 on the call side. And what is FII DII activity? I think it has not yet updated, I guess. Yeah, it is not yet updated. So I have opened cash, 3,000 crores of selling in cash has been taking place in FII. So they are still in that zone. Okay, that's it. So what about Reliance? Reliance, as we discussed, the Reliance targets have been reaching very soon. See the Reliance. So the resistance 2 is 25, 27.58. Once it crosses this, we can see the significant up move till 3,000, I guess, because this is where the 52-week high. So once it crosses 52-week high, see the volumes. The volumes are tremendous. Once the volumes are tremendous, which means it is going to break very easily this resistance. Once it breaks, you can take Reliance as a positional trade, as a long-term trade. You can go for it. ITC, as we discussed, see, this is in the same zone where we expected, so it might touch 250 levels until it crosses 265, 264.2 levels on the upside. Okay.